Most people get this wrong. They think Quick Payday Wallet is just a simple payday loan app, but the surprising truth is that in 2026 it's become more like a mini financial management platform. Though risks remain, here's how it works. Quick Payday Wallet lets users access part of their earned wages early, often within 24 hours, and provides tools to track expenses and set repayment schedules. Fees are lower than traditional payday loans, but repeated advances can still add up quickly. Additionally, missed repayments can affect your account standing and future eligibility. Tips for safe use. 1. Only withdraw what you absolutely need and can pay back promptly. 2. Use the expense tracking feature to plan ahead and avoid repeated reliance. 3. Avoid using Quick Payday Wallet as a long-term solution. It's designed for temporary gaps, not consistent shortfalls. Who should consider it? People with predictable income and occasional cash flow gaps. Those with irregular finances or poor repayment habits may find the fees add up faster than expected. In conclusion, Quick Payday Wallet in 2026 is worth it for disciplined, occasional use. It can provide fast access to funds and help manage short-term cash needs, but misuse can make it costly. Subscribe for more app reviews and practical tips to make your money go further.